Good morning, my friends. This morning I was like, what? Look at this. Wow. My castle over there is full of snow. You see. We can't even see the mountains behind the castle. Monte Zerbion, I think on the Monte Zerbion there is a snowstorm. This is my place with the terrace full of snow. Nobody has walked through this path, only few cars. And this morning we are gonna go together and we are gonna cross this field and we are gonna take a mountain path towards the castle, so we can stay a little while in the icy environment and discover more about the castle and all the many different paths to reach it. And of course, what is really important today is this is our work like this, but I have to cover myself so much because it's freezing up, and I was just reached by a meteor alert that in few hours time we're gonna have a snowstorm, so that's incredible. And I will show you how will be my outfit, because I have to dress and then undress because it's really heavy, but I have to, otherwise it's not possible for me even to hold the camera. Okay, so follow me. This is my balcony and I had to put this here. So first of all, I'm gonna wear a jumpsuit that is made for skiing, then at least 2 scarves and 2 berets, 2 hats. One is a full hat, like a robber's, to go and rob a bank. Then it would be nice anyhow. And these are gloves, very big. I mean, you see, they are heavy. And look at this. This is softy, nicey, and brand new socks to put in my look at this. I had to do like this because sometimes I think I had some trouble with these boots, the plastic boots, because I think when I went to the wood to collect wood to put in my fireplace, something make a hole in my boots, so it's okay. 2 pairs of socks, softy and colorful, just to have fun. And in few minutes time we're gonna dress up and discover the path, the mountain path towards Saint Germain Castle. So stay tuned. Simona Cochi, the Italian way from Montjuïc. Ciao.